welcome back, and today it's a very quick, simple and easy put together meal. It's healthy and it's delicious. We have some cauliflower here, guys, that we're going to be using today. I did cut the florets from the stem, place them into the food processor, and pulse for about 4 to 5 times. And this is what you should end up with, a texture looking like this. So we're gonna head right over to the stove. I have a pan over medium heat and I'm going to be adding some olive oil in here. I will be listing all details in the description box below. Here I add some chopped garlic, and I love my garlics to get brown, okay? Then I'm going to add some onions. Feel free to use any type of onions. Saute this for another minute. Now I'm going to add the carrots. And feel free at this time to add any type of vegetables of your choice. Then I'm going to add some complete seasoning. I did crush some cubes in here, some paprika, some black pepper, some ginger powder. The seasonings should be of your choice, all right? Then I'm gonna stir this up. At this time, you want the heat to be very high. Because guys, cauliflower has a lot of moisture. We don't want to squeeze the juices from it, all right? We want to do it as is. I did add some chopped spinach in here. Then I'm going to add my cauliflower. Then toss it around. Now let's add some parsley into this, along with some hot pepper, guys. You can leave the pepper out. What I did was take out the seeds from the pepper. This gives me some flakes, some dried mint, and dried basil, along with some green peas. Toss it around, then let it cook for 2 minutes over very high heat. Guys, feel free to add anything you want into your vegetable cauliflower rice. Alright, it is so quick to put together. It is so healthy and delicious. And here you have it. Give it a try. Don't you forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Also leave me a comment. So happy cooking, guys. Healthy eating. And yes, this is our vegetable cauliflower rice. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Enjoy!